This screencast is for the students that are assigned to create the shared folder for their Biome group project. To make this folder, we're going to go into our drive and click on New. From the drop-down menu, you want to select Folder. Here you want to name it based on whichever biome your group has chose. So for example, I would say Tundra Biome Project. And from here I'm going to say Create. And you'll see that a new level's popped up at the top where I have created a new folder next to my previously created folders. I'm going to double click on that folder and you'll notice that it says drop files here or use the new button. So we're actually going to add a new folder to this already existing Tundra Biome folder. So to do that, I'm going to click on new folder, and this one is going to be designated for my zoologist. So I'm going to call that zoologist and say create. We also have a meteorologist in this project, so we're going to name the second one meteorologist and say create. The third role is the botanist, so we're going to say new folder, create, and then the fourth role, we're going to do the same thing, new folder, and this is for the geographer, and say create. And now we have 4 folders that are under the title of the Tundra Biome Project folder. So they're folders within folders. So if I go back to my drive, I'll see that when I click on my Tundra Biome Project, I have the 4 folders under here. And each of these folders is going to be where that particular scientist can store their images and their script. Now we want to share the folder. We don't want to share each individual folder. We want to share the Biome Project folder so that everyone in the group has access to all of the folders. So to do that, we'll click on the drop-down menu and we'll say Share. And whoever's in your group, you'll enter their username here. So for example, if Mr. Eich and I are working on a project together, I would type Mr. Eich. And then right here, I'm giving him permission to edit because I want him to be able to add some images to my folders if he finds something that he thinks might be helpful for me. And then from there, I say send. And now he's going to have access to the entire folder with all 4 of those subfolders underneath.